Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you the installation of this magnetic RV roof vent cover which I recently purchased on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Here's what's included. The vent cover, magnets for the installation, and a storage pouch. The first step in installation is to decide the orientation. You have this little orange tab. In my case I'm going to put it in the front, so it's going to go up like this. Then it could be folded back. So I'm just going to put a little mark here to know where the front is. With a pencil, I can clean that up later. Next step is to remove the panel. Next step is to line up the vent cover with the yellow tab to the front and my marking. And then place the magnets. Okay, so the magnets are placed. Looks like 3 on each side and 1 on each end. Next thing I'm just going to use this hot glue gun just to dab a little glue to keep them in place. And here we are with all the magnets glued in place. And it will be ready to reinstall it. Now I'm back in the RV to reinstall the fan flange. Have my orientation to the front. Put in the screws. Now it looks the same as it did before. Magnets are not seen. Now we can put on the RV cover. And it just goes on with magnets. What's nice about it, it can fold. You can have it partially open or halfway open. Or remove it completely and store in the provided storage bag. I think this is going to work just fine for blackout as well as insulating properties. I think it looks great. Originally I was thinking about using reflexive cut to shape or buying those 14 by 14 pads that go in there, but I thought this would look better. I have a second one to install in the bathroom and I'll do that next. For this shower skylight I had used reflexive and installed it with Velcro strips. For the shower vent, I'm going to do the same as the front and use those black vents. Here's the second one installed in the bathroom. Easy to fold. As you can see, the installation was quite easy, and I think it looks great. Hopefully this will help somebody if they decide to do this. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you soon.